Welcome everyone. If you want to find out how to make money on YouTube without 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, then stay tuned. Hi, my name is Agnes Glogowska and I help to start your first online business. So today I will show you how to make money actually on YouTube without the requirement to start earning money with Google AdSense. As you know, Google AdSense requires from the YouTube creators to get at least 1,000 subscribers and have at least 4,000 watch hours. However, you can start earning money much earlier than this, just in a few simple ways. I strongly advise you hit the subscribe button for future videos like this. So my first recommendation is to re-upload already YouTube videos. As you know, there are hundreds or not millions of different videos from different niches on YouTube that can be actually re-uploaded without being penalized for re-uploading or having any copyright issues. The main thing is to actually use in your filter whenever you type in any keyword. Let's say here meditation music, is to in the filter choose a Creative Commons. That will show you the list of actually those videos that can be re-uploaded again. And as we have relaxation, sleep music, and literally you can go into the video and double check in the description if this is Creative Commons. Yes, it is. So we can actually reuse that video. Just press the share button and then copy the link and go to the website it1s.com and go to YouTube to MP4 and put in the link from the video, convert to MP4, and literally in a few seconds it's ready to download. So download to your desktop and then on your YouTube channel re-upload it again using a similar kind of description and similar keywords, I'm sure. So I would say here keywords are not the best that are used. So for the best keyword research, I would use software that is called the TubeBuddy. Actually, link is in the description. It is a free tool that can absolutely help you rank your videos on YouTube, so you can get better search results and views at the same time. And it takes an awful long normally for those kind of re-uploaded video channels to hit the required 1,000 amount of subscribers and 4,000 views. So before that, the best is to put any links, any affiliate links in the description below, because here we're gonna use the method that is called affiliate marketing. It's basically selling or recommending actually someone else's products on your channels, on your blogs, on your YouTube channel, like here in this case, and getting paid a commission for the recommendation. Normally I would recommend programs, software or books or any devices that you use yourself, so you know how they work and know that your audience is gonna like those devices or that products that you are recommending in the description. That's one of the best ways to make money on YouTube from affiliate links. Then you can actually put in the description other stuff. Let's say your own link to your own store, like this YouTuber here, Jelly. He didn't put the link in the description, however the link is in the first comment down below, jellystore.com, where he sells his own merch. That your merch can be anything, clothes, cups, basically anything what you can put print on it. Like here Jelly has his own, let's say, green t-shirts that are well recognized among other YouTubers. I have here interesting actually channel to show you, top 10 zone, and basically they have a compilation, I would say, of different ads of those products that they found, and they created a video about it. And basically they have affiliate links. As you see, it's sponsored. Some of them are maybe sponsored, but some of them are just links to those products directly, and they are being paid through the sponsor products here directly. So in some cases companies directly reach YouTubers and they pay to have their products advertised on YouTube. As you see, they are sponsored products here, or the YouTubers just put their affiliate links in the description, and as you see, there are other links to other videos that they have and other products that might be useful for their audience. If you sell your services like voiceover, marketing advice, video editing, or translation, you can basically have your links attached in the description of the video on YouTube to the website where you promote your services, like Fiverr or Upwork. So basically that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed that video and you learn some good stuff, how you can make money actually on YouTube without 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours. I hope you will take a little bit of that knowledge and use it yourself for making money on YouTube. And thanks for watching. I hope you like that video. Please subscribe, put the thumbs up, and see you next time.